Kumaraswamy Devasthana Temple located in Hanumanta Nagar in Bangalore, Karnataka. It is dedicated to Lord Kumaraswamy, also known as Lord Subramanya or Murugan. There is a saying in Tamil, there is no God greater than Lord Subramanya. Lord Subramanya is also known as Kanda, Swaminatha, Guru Guha or Kumara and was born from the third eye, the Ajna Chakra, between the two eyes of Lord Shiva. He is said to be Lord Shiva himself in his highest expression. He is the Parabrahman, the Supreme God, verily that one truth, the Lord Parameshwara himself, who expresses himself as the Vedic Advaitic Shanmata, six facets gods, Lord Shiva, Lord Mahavishnu, Goddess Sri Rajarajeshwari, Lord Ganesha, Lord Subramanya and Lord Surya Narayana. It is also believed that Lord Shiva, who is verily the Supreme Paramatman, who would remain alone at the end of the Mahapralaya, having the entire creation, including all gods, merged within himself, would finally depict his highest and most refined expression as Lord Subramanya before he reverts to his own form as we know him, Lord Shiva Parameshwara. It is for this reason that prayers to Lord Subramanya stress upon highest degree of purity, aided by many ritualistic procedures before performing his worship. Lord Subramanya is worshipped for success in war, for employment, marriage, begetting of children, and for the experiential knowledge of the ultimate truth, the Advaitic Supreme Godhead, Lord Parameshwara Shiva, the Paramatman, the Parabrahman. The temple at the top of the hill is dedicated to Lord Kumaraswamy. Special prayers are performed during Subbaraya Shashti. Adjoining the Lord Kumaraswamy are the sacred Shiva Linga, Lord Ganesha in his seated posture, and Goddess Parvati. Also have been consecrated the Navagrahas in a separate shrine adjoining this shrine within the same hall. The Gopuram at the entrance preceding a huge open hall, preceding the hall enshrining the main shrine, as we can see it, is sculpted with the Lord's image of his role as a guru to the Lord Shiva himself. This is exactly the same as Swami Malai in Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. Swami Malai is one of the 6 pilgrimage centers, Arupadai Kshetram, dedicated to the Lord Subramanya, and it is at Swami Malai that the Lord Kumaraswamy became the guru to his own father, the Lord Shiva himself. Originally, the Sanctum Sanctorum had a Panchaloha idol. This original Panchaloha idol is now seen enshrined separately in the hall preceding the hall enshrining the Sanctum Sanctorum. At the foot of the hill is Panchamukhi Ganesha temple. This modern temple has an idol of Lord Ganesha with 5 heads, hence the name Panchamukhi Ganesha. His Vahana there is different and away from the usual Mushika Vahana. There his Vahana is the Simha, lion. The recurring dominant presence of the negative and false ego that corrupts the mind is depicted by the lion, and the Lord Ganesha in this form of his is worshipped to win over such a mind with such an ego. Midway between the foothill and the apex is the shrine dedicated to the Lord Adishesha, the royal king of all snakes and snake gods, serving the Lord Narayana Paramapurusha, Lord Mahavishnu, Sriman Narayana as his holy rest bed.